Happy birthday to Maddie. Say happy birthday.
Mommy.
Tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say love you.
Love.
What color is Maddie? Hey, Cammy. Quit kissing your horse. What color is Maddie? Is Maddie black? What color is your horse? Hey, what color is your horse? Pink, that's right. Give Maddie a kiss. Maddie needs a kiss. Maddie, not your horse. Oh my goodness, where are you going with that horse? Maddie better run. What are you yelling? Sing Ring Around the Rosie. Cookie? That's Maddie's leash. Say leash. Give it to Maddie. What do we do with that? Do we take Maddie for walks? Say, Maddie. What are you doing? Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Oh.
Say happy birthday.
Go.
What?
Go.
You want her to go? Where do you want her to? Quit pulling her tail. What is that? What is that?
Elbow. Elbow.
Is that her tail? That's your elbow. Okay. Where's your knees? Oh, you're not riding the dog. Cammy, where's Maddie's ears? Cammy, Maddie's gonna knock your butt down. Cammy, Maddie is not gonna like this. Cammy, where's your knees?
Mommy.
What? What are you doing? Talk to the camera. Talk. Say something. You're gonna go boom. What are you doing, Munchkin? You're gonna get an ouchie. Ouchie. Hey, ouch, I just sat on the dog. Hey, Cameron. Cameron, what color is Maddie?
Black.
Okay, what color is...
Pink.
Pink? I didn't ask you anything. What color is your horse?
Pink.
Okay, what color is... Pink? Maddie. What color is my black?